Hi, I'm Arrin. I work for Atlas Copco New Zealand. I'm based in the Bay of Plenty and cover Waikato and the Bay of Plenty region. The division I work for at Atlas Copco is Industrial Air Technique. That means I look after piston compressors, that's oil and oil free. I also look after oil injected screw compressors from about 2 kilowatts up to 110 kilowatts. That's quite a big section of product right there. The part that I'm really passionate about is industrial gases, because Atlas Copco produce the world's best oxygen generation and nitrogen generation. Industrial gases in New Zealand and globally have become quite expensive. They're expensive to produce and then ship and bottle. With that comes supply chain issues. If you can't get your gas on time, and if that cost keeps on going up, where are you with production? To overcome these issues, we first have to look at mechanical. If you're going to produce your own gas mechanically, it needs to be reliable. That's where Atlas Copco come in. With over 100 years of experience in producing gas generation equipment, we really are the very best. The next part is satisfying what your gas requirements are. We produce a variation of industrial gas equipment from nitrogen and oxygen generation, but not only that, the different types of generators, so membrane generation or pressure swing absorption. We've got gas generation that can suit any budget and any flow or pressure requirement to match your return on investment expectations. Why pay for high purity when you don't necessarily require high purity? Understanding what pressure you might require, understanding how much you need. Sometimes clients are paying for purity that they don't necessarily require, so they're not getting maximum value. What we do is we look at the application. We understand every aspect of it and match that to our solution, so you're getting the best return on investment possibility. I'm really passionate about the mechanical solution that we have. Go onto our website and have a look at what we offer. This equipment is second to none. It's over-engineered to a point of precision. It gives us a huge amount of confidence going into the field and installing these for customers, because we know we're going to get a positive outcome. Some of these positive outcomes I can talk about personally, because I've been involved from conception to delivery, and now they're operating. Some of these applications include nitrogen and oxygen. Oxygen specifically for a bioreactor toward Taupo, which is a totally loop sustainable reactor which requires oxygen for the dosing of the microbes which break down that food waste into usable gas. That usable gas can be used for biofertilizers and burnable gas for domestic or commercial consumption. Where we've had a large increase in nitrogen generation is due to the fact that we've had CO2 shortages in this country. This is also a global phenomenon. So we're using it for blanketing in food production or beverage production. Instead of using CO2, you can use nitrogen to great effect. Our industrial gas equipment is being used in food production, farming, dairy, laser cutting and heavy industries, and even brewing. I'm positive about working at Atlas Copco. I came from a background in FMCG, and then with a period of time in between that and heavy diesel. Coming over to Atlas Copco was seamless for me, because I was used to working for big corporates that had great structure. But what's really impressed me is the culture in which I work with my immediate team. We really do want to get the job done. The guys on the tools at the front line have got the most amazing support. Some of the material that they can have access to, but not only what they have access to, what I have access to. I have a global team which are here to support me. At any time of the day, I can pick up the phone and speak to a product manager and get specialists to help. It really does make my job, makes it different, makes it a great experience. And I think if you could talk to any one of my customers or any of the customers in the Bay, much more positive experience, but they can also have confidence in what we do.